It's finally arrived! Yay! If you saw Mad Tuesday, the first one of 2018, you heard me say I was waiting for this package, and this is the day after, and I got it. I got it. So let's not waste any time. We need to open it and see what's inside. Mr. Edwin Falls sent me this from his store, drifted.nl, and this is for my RVD project, and I'm super excited. I haven't been this excited for parts or anything for years. And more scissors. What is this? It's in Chinese newspaper. Cool. Yokomo wheels. More Yokomo wheels. Diff oil. Small parts. O-rings. Battery plugs. And some wiring. That's the small stuff. No one cares. And we did a servo upgrade to the MST DX251L. Oh yeah, this will go great with my MST 3.0 gyro. Baby. Now for the Holy Grail. What we've been waiting for. What you've been waiting for. Oh yeah. Okay, we have to look inside. We have to see all the parts. Maybe you should come here. Stand next to me. Come here, come here. Let's open this. Ultimate Revol conversion kit for YD2. Pre-order edition number 40. Yes. Let's see. Hello. Number 40. Oh, looks great. Look at all the pretty bags. Aluminium parts. More aluminium parts. It's so pretty. Everything is pretty. Carbon fiber. Oh. And of course, unlimited amount of stickers. So that's it. That's the new RVD chassis I'm going to be driving. The Ultimate number 40. That's why you saw the YD2 on Mad Tuesday. You want me to build this? I'm not going to build it now, not in this video, but I'm probably going to be doing a short video thingy about building it and testing it and driving it, and for the next year probably. So thanks for watching. Thanks to Edwin and Drifted for having these in stock. I think he had 3 when I ordered, so if you're one of the lucky ones, you can go over to drifted.nl and get one of the 2 last pre-order editions of the Ultimate. So yeah, this is mine. It's not for sale. 2018, let's go.